Hi, I am Roxana from WP Estate, and in this video I will show how to manage the WpResidence display categories widget. The widget is showcased in many of our demos, and in this video I will show how to use the widget with both Elementor and WP Bakery plugins. First, I will show how to work with the WpResidence display categories widget for Elementor. This page is created with Elementor, and in order to create a section with the display categories widget, I will need to edit the page with Elementor. I already prepared the section where I will add the widget. I will add it under this heading. So the first step is to look for the widget. This is the one. With drag and drop, I will add it in the page. And now I will start making settings. First, you will have the content section. Here you will need to select the categories that you want to display. So I will select random categories. I will select 6 categories. I am done with the category selection. Next, I will set the items number per row. I will set 3 items per row. In the next option you will have available 4 design types. I will show each of these types after I am done with the setup. The next option is for alignment. You can select 1 row or multiple rows. I have selected multiple rows. Each of the category used in the widget will need to have an image uploaded manually. You can see that I have images for most of the categories except for this one. So the next step is to show how to upload an image to the categories used here. I will save the changes that I made so far, and I will go to admin. You will find all property categories under properties. I will go to neighborhood and I will upload an image for Central Park category. I will edit the category. I will press the upload image button. You can select an image from media or you can upload one from your device. I will select an image from media. I will press insert into post and update. I will go back to the Elementor editor and refresh the page. I will scroll down to the section that I just created. This is the one. You can see that now Central Park has an image, and I will continue showing the options available. Next, you'll have display as grid option. If this option is enabled, then the number of categories per row will be automatically calculated based on the unit minimum width value that you add here. I will add a value here. You can already see the change. You can increase the value and add here the value that you want. You also can add a value for the gap between units. You can see here that the gap is changing. I will leave it like this and go to the next section in style. Here you can manage design settings for the units. You have the option to set the item height. I will add a value here, and also you can add a value for the border radius. Next, in style, you can manage title, listing text, typography, and manage colors. I will make a few changes. You have the option to change font family, size, weight, and make other settings. I will change only the line height. You can also change the listing text typography. You will have the same options. I will leave them as they are. Next, you can add colors for title, listing text color, image overlay background color, and image overlay background color on hover. Next, you'll have the option to set a box shadow. You can make settings here. These are the settings that you can make. I will save the changes made, and I will check the section on front end. This is the section that I just created. I will go back to Elementor editor and show how the other design types show. This is design type 2, this is the inline type, and this is the design type 3. These are the settings that you need to make if you want to add the widget with Elementor. Next, I will show the steps that you need to take to add this widget in a WP Bakery page. The first step is to edit page. I have already prepared the section where I will add the widget. I will add it here. This is the widget that I need to use. The settings are similar. You will need to select here the categories that you want to display. You will need to start typing the name of the category, and after select it from this drop down. I will add 6 categories. I added the categories. Next you'll have the options to set how many items will be displayed per row. I will set them to 3. You'll have the option to select the design type. For WP Bakery you will have 2 design types available. Here you will be able to set the item height. I will set the same height that I set for the Elementor widget, and I will save changes. I will save the page changes. This wraps our video. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to get instant notifications on new videos.